Afternoon everyone, from a different location than we usually are. We're here now in Altea, just about 10 kilometers from Benidorm. Let's go for a nice walk along the boulevard over here, along the promenade, and see how life is like over here. Looks amazing, looks clean, fresh, all, and much different than Benidorm. It's also much more quieter over here. During our walk I'm going to check out drink prices, or they advertise it just like in Benidorm. But I think it's a bit more expensive over here. I'm going to check out the atmosphere, any special bars, maybe anything. And I'll focus mainly around the promenade at the beachfront right now. Not heading up the hill, which is on the right side. Just going for a nice stroll between those palm trees over there. So the beach over here, a complete difference with Benidorm. It's mostly pebbles and rocks. Well, not the best to lie on, but they do have plenty of sunbeds available. They're on the left side over here. There's still plenty left. I'll check out for you guys the prices in a minute and I'll put them down on there. Okay, so that is already the first thing that is a bit more expensive over here. €7 for a sun lounger, and as well 7 for an umbrella. At Benidorm there's 6 each. And they also have canopies over here, something we don't have in Benidorm. There were €9. Wow. So it's gonna be a hot day here today. 34 degrees it'll get here in Altea. Lovely menus. Mojito for almost 9. As expected, a bit more expensive than Benidorm, but still not bad. Lovely calm out here, very much change to what it is usually in Benidorm. And it's also very easy to get here. Just from Benidorm you can take bus number 10, heading for Altea, and it'll be dropped off in the city. Cost you a few euros and you're here. Feels so much different than Benidorm. You've got huge open spaces over here. Everything is mostly white collared as well. No screaming clubs or anything. It's very calm, all very relaxing. Definitely nice if you want to escape the busyness of Benidorm, especially during these days. Loads of people come there to celebrate their holiday. But it's different, yeah. Different, but very, very nice. Walking around here. And if you like this video so far, please don't forget to give a like. It greatly helps it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. For now, I've mostly seen shops, ice cream stalls, or anything where you can get some food. But I haven't seen a real bar like you have those in Benidorm, like the Daytona or Rockstar or anything. Those probably you're not gonna find over here. Of course, at almost every bar you can get a nice pint. But they mostly go and push out the cocktails. Most of the daily menus also around 19 euros, like over here. Oh well, most of them. Well, it looks very fancy, very nice as well. Fits perfectly with the city that's in the town. It's not big, it's a town. With the town it is, Altea. And it is quite a long boulevard as well. It goes around the corner, and probably from here on you can even walk towards Altea if you're really up for it. But you can also just take the bus. For 1 or 2 euros you'll get there within no time as well. And they run quite frequently. Back there you got some other bars, and from here on it gets quieter out there. It's mostly a main road which heads towards Altea. Well, there are still some bars and restaurants on there, still nice to explore. In the distance we can even see Altea over there. It's not that far to walk, probably take you about almost an hour I think, if you walk slowly like I do right now. Because with this heat, 34 degrees, don't want to run. Definitely not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For me it was a pleasure to walk at least in a different environment for once. Of course Altea is much bigger. You got all that area up there, which you can also explore. And we're going to do that in a different video. Taking you guys up there, showing you guys the views around the church and everything you have over there. A real Spanish plaza we've got there as well. So if you want to see more of this and Benidorm maybe, then definitely do subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys all for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.